guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a glueless wig application technique using Tinashe Hair. In the drawstring bag I did receive a wig cap. I don't use that type of wig cap, and a mirror. This is the hair, the information: 250% density, 24 inches long, 13 by 6 inch lace front wig. This video is sponsored by Tinashe Hair, and there will be more information in the description box about what I am using in the video. So let's take a look at the hair and put it on the wig mannequin so you guys can see what it's all about. This is what it looks like when it comes fresh out of the packaging. And before I remove all of the insides, I'm going to show you guys the hairline so you can see just how good of a job they did. They also have some really long baby hairs, which I love, because when they're too long you can trim them, but if they're too short you can't make them grow. So this is ideal for anybody. I did wear the unit so I could see how it fit on my head before cutting the lace. And we're gonna start in the back. Cut the lace first. As you can see, I have some adjustable straps. Lately I don't mess with the adjustable straps too much because a lot of companies have done a fantastic job of making the wigs fit nicely. So I have a comb in the back, a comb in the front that I do not like at all, and combs on either side, and a whole lot of parting space. So let's flip over, and I'm using my Lotta Body mousse to make my hair lie down so that I can trim the lace. You can use water. I was just too lazy to fill up my water sprayer bottle, whatever it's called, and I am going to go ahead and clip my hair out of the way so I don't accidentally cut anything, and I'm going to grab my nail scissors to trim after I make sure everything is completely out of the way. But first we must pin our hair down. Now I like to use very small pins. That is because I don't like damaging my lace. I've damaged lace with thicker pins. T-pins specifically have damaged my lace and created holes, so I use the small ones. I go in small snips, just snipping slowly, going across. You're only going to do this once, so you want to do it well. Now, I did not anticipate that I was going to show you guys how I washed my hair, but I had to show you guys this. You've got a lot of runoff in there. I don't know what they used to process. Maybe they tinted the hair a little bit. I don't care about how companies process hair. That doesn't affect me. But you must always wash your wigs for this reason. There might be an allergen in there, maybe, I don't know. So wash your wigs. And I'm using my mask by Entwine. This is a treat for you guys because usually with my wigs I'm using the last of my products. This time I'm using the first of my product. I love Entwine Couture and I always buy their products. I always have something in my stash for my natural hair and my extensions because it is the one product line that helped me out when I first went natural. It did a fantastic job with my hair. You will have some shed hair. My rule for shed hair is this: if it doesn't shed more than my natural hair on wash day, it's okay. If it sheds more than my natural hair, it's not okay. I don't care what the density is, it should not shed more than my natural hair. This did not shed more than my hair, so I am okay with the shed hair. And we are going to move right along. I'm going to use a few drops of my swamp oil and rub it around in my fingers. This will add a little sheen to my hair after I'm done styling, and it's just going to give me some nice slip while I'm brushing and doing all of the extra things that I'm doing. But make sure if you use oil in your hair extensions, do not touch the base of your wig cap. Don't get close to the construction. You can cause shedding and we don't want that. I am also using my Got to Be Kinkier mousse. I don't like this, you guys. I like it because it's fun. It's like gets really large and foamy, but I don't like it because it smells like synthetic oranges and sugar. Also, I just feel like it doesn't work well on my natural hair. It's great for extensions though, so I would use it on my extensions, but definitely not for my natural hair. I feel like it's more soft curl friendly, and I have nothing against that. I just have better options. Like Lotta Body is cheap, so you know, this was experimental, but I'm always finding myself going back to the cheapest of the cheap because it's just functional. Now, this is what my hair looks like. I thought it was super cute, not too thick. Kind of gave me Beyonce vibes. Lately she's been wearing that deep wave texture. I don't know if that's her natural texture or not, because I know her mom's hair is like, I don't know, type 3 or something. So that's the vibe that I've been getting, and I thought it was super cute, but I fluffed it out a little bit and I flipped it over so you guys could have some more volume to look at. Now the problem is I didn't use an elastic band, and it shows because my wig is slipping. Now we want to make this glueless, so I decided to come back a few days later with an elastic band, and I also applied the mousse again, and it was really crunchy and stringy and nasty, and I am so sorry, you guys. You should never do this. Always wet your hair to reactivate your mousse, or just wash your hair and apply the products again. Putting too much product causes product buildup, even if you don't see it and you don't have the desired look. It's not going to fluff up as much as its potential. So here, this is what we're looking like after I combed it. I don't comb from root to tip. I actually comb like in sections. But this is the Got To Be Defiant pomade. I think it's very citrusy also. I don't like the smell. It smells like vitamin C gummies. I don't like it at all. But it works. It helps keep that lace down, keep it from flying away. Very oily also. And I am going to get some powder to make everything look nice and natural. That's the whole plan. Get in there and stipple a little bit with my Maybelline Fit Me. I think this is 365. I don't even remember what shade this is. And I don't like this powder for my skin, but I love it on my lace and I keep using it. I'm also using my Essence primer. This primer is just being used to get rid of any extra shine on my hair that's close to the roots. I like the shine on the roots because it looks like I oiled my scalp, but on the actual hair it looks really stringy, so I got rid of that with primer so I wouldn't disturb my wig. And I also used some mascara to go in there where there may be too much powder, and this is what we're looking like. And I feel like everything was so pretty. With the side part this time, it was fluffed out a bit more. Even though I used too much product, I feel like it looked amazing. And I did choose to go with the middle part also, just to see how it was going to look. I could have used water to further define my hair, but I completely forgot, you guys. Either way, I think it looked cute and fluffy and more realistic, because sometimes being too defined can make your hair look very fake. Obviously this is not my real hair, it doesn't look like my real hair, but it looks a little bit more relaxed and natural. And that's all there is for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye.